Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, has urged Nigerians to refrain from using social media to report the conduct of police officers. Instead, direct such complaints to the Police Complaint Response Unit. Speaking at the PPRO's Police Communication Expert Conference in Asaba, Delta State, on Monday, the IGP emphasized that the use of social media to address grievances often leads to misinformation and undermines the integrity of the police force. The IGP said, "We appeal to the public not to resort to social media when reporting the conduct of police officers, but rather use the Police Complaint Response Unit," stressing that such platforms provide a more structured and accountable process for addressing complaints. Egbetokun acknowledged the role social media plays in shaping public opinion, but warned that unverified information could create false perceptions and dent the image of the Nigerian police force. The IGP highlighted the importance of promoting transparency and accountability within the police force, and noted that the police consider the media a critical partner in this effort. Meanwhile, Governor Sheriff Oborevori of Delta State, who opened the conference, also shared his insights on the challenges of politicizing in states like Delta and Lagos, pointing out the importance of countering misinformation and fostering effective communication between the police and the public. "I want to thank the IGP for his good work," Oborevori said. "As an officer who served in Lagos as CP, he is capable of politicizing Nigeria. Delta and Lagos states are very tough states to police. Therefore, any officer who served in Delta or Lagos as CP will police Nigeria well," he added. Both the IG and the governor underscored the need for public engagement, highlighting the role of police public relations officers in addressing misconceptions and showcasing the positive work of the police. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more verified and reliable news stories.